there is a curriculum which will now be taken up across 100 schools by Education Department, where a curriculum on road safety is being introduced for the first time. I think it is also one of the first state in the country to have this curriculum on road safety for school children from 1st standard till 9th standard. School buses, unauthorized vehicles carrying school children, that members were very concerned about this incident because there is a clear Supreme Court decision that there has to be a proper school bus in which children have to be ferried. So the members have raised their apprehensions and asked the concerned authorities to go about enforcing this particular clause so that there is no problem to the life and security and safety of our school children.
आरटीओ आणि पीडब्ल्यूडी मिळून खंय एक्सिडेंट प्रो झोनांनी ब्लॅक स्पॉटांचेर काम करतले.
Removal of black spots along our highways, 57 have been identified by traffic police. So we have asked the PWD to rectify these black spots, put up signages and design the roads in a scientific manner so that the accident fatalities are reduced. Potholes, we have asked the PWD that they have to take this work up on a war footing because safety of roads, unless roads are safe, you cannot expect road safety to be 100% compliant. So these issues were discussed and will be holding a separate meeting with the principal chief engineer under the chairmanship of secretary PWD. So PWD, there were issues which needs to be addressed on top priority.
मंडळान रोड ट्रान्सपोर्ट डिरेक्टरी तयार करची म्हूण NGO गोवा कॅन मागता.
To republish this directory of all the bus routes of Goa and also to upload all the bus routes on the website of the Transport Department. Second point is that to improve the condition of the bus stands. Schools are concerned. Third schools, just state highway, national highway आणि MDR district major district road आसा त्या स्कुलां भितर ही अवेरनेस जावची रोड सेफ्टीचेर कित्याक तांकां एक्झॅक्टली करंटली तो प्रॉब्लम फेस करचे पडटा.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडे आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट शिरीष कुंकळकार.